With me, as usual, is Alana.
Hello.
And Anna Maria.
Hi.
And we'll look at this terrifying Undead Zbox. Do you like zombies?
Yeah, sort of. Kind of.
They're a bit scary.
Sometimes.
Let's see how scary the box is. Right. First up, as we usually do, a t-shirt. Let's have a look and see what the t-shirt is. It looks pretty good actually, the design on this one. Ooh. Nice. Lots of zombies. There we go. That's quite a nice design t-shirt actually. I do like that. You like that t-shirt?
Scary.
So I can wear that Halloween. Right, Alana, would you like to get something out of the box?
Some The Walking Dead toys.
Yeah, little figures. Mini mates, they're called. Walking Dead Alice and Shoulder Zombie. Here we go. So there's lots of different ones. There's Alice, Gabe, the Governor, Shoulder Zombie, Bruce, Prison, Laurie as well. Here we go. On the back there. What do you think of those? It's a weird kind of thing, isn't it? They're mini mates. There's lots of different mini mates. We haven't got any of those before.
That one is.
It's quite funny, isn't it? They're less scary, more humorous. Anna Maria, would you like to get something from the box?
This is, I think they're badges. Button badges, zombie ones.
Lots of different zombie button badges. Cool. Let's have a look. We've got Zombie Killer. They will rise. And with added bite and a few others. So can weigh old. If you like collecting badges, that's another good set. Lots of different badges there, 6 badges. That's cool. Let's have a look, see what else is in the box. Oh, this is nice. Music composed and performed by John Carpenter from The Fog. And it's a vinyl. So that's unusual. There's a nice little collector's item there, I think. So it's Theme from The Fog and then Ghost Story. There you go, on the back there. Ooh, long time since I've had a vinyl item. Excellent. Alana, there is actually lots of things in this set box today. It's pretty good.
Green car.
Oh, it's a sweet, I think. It's one of those licky lollipop type things. Hopefully it doesn't taste of brains. Anna Maria?
This is a sticker, I think.
Looks like a car sticker, doesn't it?
Yeah. And it says United Kingdom 2014/2015. No daily bag limit or weapons permitted. And then
So it's a zombie hunting permit which you stick in your car to show that you're eligible to hunt zombies. Interesting one. I wonder what, if I put that on my car, I wonder what people will say. Let's have a look at this. Zombies: A Living History DVD. If you thought zombies were a recent invention, you're dead wrong. It's one of those History Channel documentary things. Well, that should be interesting. Probably goes through zombies in countries and stuff where the traditional zombie idea came from. So have a look at that another time. Lana, anything else in there? And
zombie socks.
Look at these zombie socks. Here we go. Brilliant. So, make your feet feel like they're proper zombies by wearing zombie socks. I actually love socks. I think that's brilliant. So, I'll wear those to work. Fantastic job. So, the last thing in the box, Anna Maria? I think there's only one more thing.
Yep, there's only one more thing.
And that's the Zbox magazine with the Undead theme. It's got various people and their unboxings in there, and it's got lots of information about the theme of the box and things within the box as well. So we shall read through that later on. There we go.
And there's some writing in the
And as usual, they've got a nice little theme on the box itself as well. So that's quite nice. And they've done that for all the boxes so far. So actually, not a bad box overall. Not quite as scary as I thought. What did you think?
It was quite good. Yeah.
Yeah. So you like the zombie box?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I think it's been a pretty good box actually. Right. Thanks for watching, and join us again for the next unboxing.
Bye.
Bye.